In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable chat bubbles in WhatsApp. Chat bubbles let new messages pop up as small, movable circles on your screen so you can jump into a conversation without leaving the app you're using. This feature is available on many Android phones, though the exact wording you see may vary a bit by device and Android version. First, open your phone's settings. You'll usually find the gear icon in your app drawer or by swiping down from the top of the screen to open quick settings and tapping the gear there. We're doing this from the system settings because chat bubbles are controlled by Android's notification system, not inside WhatsApp itself. Next, go to the section where your apps live. Depending on your phone, it might be labeled apps, apps and notifications, or applications. If you see an advanced or see all apps option, tap that to view the full list. Find WhatsApp in the list and select it. If you have a long list of apps, use the search bar at the top to quickly locate it. Make sure you're opening the standard WhatsApp app you use for messaging. Now tap notifications, ensure that notifications are turned on for WhatsApp. Chat bubbles depend on notifications being allowed. If notifications are off or silenced for the app, bubbles won't appear. It's a good idea to keep message alerts enabled so conversations can bubble up when new messages arrive. On the same screen, you may see an app, notifications, or additional settings section. Open that if needed, then look for an option labeled bubbles or floating notifications. The name can differ by phone. On some devices, it's simply bubbles. On others, like certain Samsung models, it may appear under floating notifications with a bubbles choice inside. If you see an advanced or more settings link within notifications, check there as well. Choose how you want bubbles to behave. Select all conversations can bubble if you want any WhatsApp chat to appear as a bubble when a new message comes in. If you prefer more control, select selected conversations can bubble, which keeps bubbles off by default and lets you allow them only for specific chats you care about most. That's it. With notifications on and bubbles enabled, new WhatsApp messages can appear as floating circles you can move around, expand to reply, and dismiss when you're done. If you don't see bubbles right away, keep in mind that some devices label these settings differently, and the feature generally requires a modern Android version. Once it's set, you'll be able to stay in the flow of what you're doing while still keeping up with your chats.